Hey, it's Tim. Hey, we got a 07 Volvo S80. We'll be doing rear rotors and pads. Rear rotors will be this number here. And the rear pads will be a C1307. And I'll do this one side with you, show you how it's done. First, take the wheel off first. The first thing you want to do is put an emergency brake on and get a T50. Because you're going to have to do this torque bit. And then we're going to take the calipers off, and then we're going to take this rotor off. I don't know if it's light anymore. Be a 13. Might have to hold the other side. Yeah. You try to get a socket on there. You might have to hold the nut and the caliper bolt. Sometimes you do. Let me see. This one come off. Okay. Get a little shorter socket there. Alright, on the back side of that was got a little socket there, and you want to get the caliper off, of course. Let's set it out of your way here. No big deal. And take your pads off. These are white one here. And you got two 15s holding this on. Then we'll pull this off. Alright, you're going to be doing these 15s right here. 15 right here. 15 right there. There and there. You can pull them two off. And I'm pretty much hand tight now. And then we'll get my socket and everything, make it a little quicker. Always check your emergency brakes. These are manual, some of them are electronic. Okay, now there is a difference. Some of these vehicles are equipped with electronic parking brake, and you'll have to go through a procedure to release this caliper. These are manual, as I just showed you behind there. These are manual. You got a regular pedal. But it is a D134 for the manual. It will be different. The other ones I showed you when I first of the video was one for the electronic. So let me throw it off a little bit here. Put your backing plate. Put your caliper, your pads, bracket on, and we will press in that caliper here in just a second. No more squeaking, no more grinding. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on. Like and subscribe.